Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm preparing for my son's 16th birthday. Today he wants a seafood boil, so with this ingredients and the lobsters, the prawns and the lobsters, we're going to make a seafood boil for him, and the rest of the stuff is for his party. This is as he requested, so from this ingredients, stay tuned to find out what I do with it all. First we boil the potatoes, so that because we haven't got corn on the cob, we'll add this sweet corn to it, and we allow this to boil. The magic ingredients to our seafood boil is this hot sauce, and that will transform the dish. With the prawns, we allow them to defrost. In my case, I've got to count them so that my teenage boys don't fight about who had more than the other. So I'll do that and then place them all in the pan. So there's 29 pieces in each one. So now I'm going to transfer it into the pan. So here's our pan, and the prawns go in there. Okay, once we put all the prawns there, we add the sauce. So we add the chili sauce. Make sure you taste because it is spicy. And then you toss it around or stir it around until the prawns are covered in the sauce. Don't add any water or anything, just leave it like that and leave it to just warm up. We will also be adding some of this sauce as well, because my kids love spicy. Let's have a look at how this pavlova tree looks like. That looks really delicious. Onto that we'll add some custard. Like I said, don't add any water because as you can see there's quite a lot of liquid here. Not to worry, because we're going to use that for our noodles. These are the noodles we're going to be cooking. This is our noodles in that spicy sauce. We didn't add the sauce that came in the packet with the noodles because it would be really spicy. And the prawns we've put here, we're going to add more sauce onto that later. Now our potato and sweet corn is ready. We're going to drain it and then add the sauce. To the potatoes and sweet corn, we add the sauce again. This one. This is going to be quite a spicy dish, but my kids like spicy. And then you stir it until it's all covered. Until it's all covered. Now our sweet corn and potato is ready. The prawns, I added more sauce to it. They're ready. Now we're just for noodles, and then the last thing we'll do is the lobsters. Excuse me. Same pan that we used for the potatoes, we're going to heat up our lobsters. We started to dish out. Now we have to dish out the noodles. This is the noodles.